Hello guys. So if you're facing an issue where you are unable to remove the Powered by Shopify option in the footer of your website in Shopify, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly, what you have to do is just simply open your browser and open your Shopify website. I will show you two methods how you can do that. First method is click on your online store. First visit the store. So as you can see over here, it is the Powered by Shopify icon. So now to remove it, first thing that you can do is just simply click on the three dot over here. Then go to edit default theme content, click on it. Now over here just simply search for Powered, and over here just simply hit a space, then just simply click on save over here. Now just simply go back to your page and refresh it and check it. So as you can see, the Powered by Shopify option has gone. Now I'm going to show you another method. So first undo this. So as you can see, it is back. Now for some reason, if this process doesn't work on your system or on your particular theme, what else you can do is just simply again go back to your online store, click on the three dots, then go to edit code. Now over here just simply search for footer, then click on the footer.liquid file over here. Now over here just simply search for Powered. Now for searching Powered, what you can do is just simply hold Ctrl plus F on your keyboard. That will bring the search option for you. Now over here just simply search for Powered, then just simply click on next and keep on searching until you get a very small link. Now over here what you have to do is just simply erase the entire line over here. So copy the entire thing and hit the backspace on your keyboard, then just simply click on save. Now after that just simply go back and check, refresh the page, and as you can see, the Powered by option is again gone. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.